Our bodies are incredible machines. They perform countless tasks every day without us even realizing it. One of the most fascinating processes is digestion. This is the amazing journey where our bodies transform the food we eat into energy and nutrients. Think about your favorite meal. From the moment you take a bite, your digestive system starts working hard. It breaks down the food into smaller and smaller pieces. It absorbs the nutrients your body needs. And finally, it gets rid of the waste. This process is essential for life. Without it, we wouldn't be able to survive. Imagine not having the energy to play, learn, or even breathe. In this essay, we'll journey together through the digestive system. We'll explore each stage of the process, from the moment food enters our mouths to the moment waste leaves our bodies. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of your own digestive system. Our digestive adventure begins in the mouth. Here, two important things happen: chewing and the release of saliva. Chewing might seem simple, but it's the crucial first step in digestion. Our teeth work like tiny machines, grinding and crushing food into smaller pieces. This makes it easier for our bodies to break down later. As we chew, our mouths also release saliva. Saliva is a watery liquid that helps soften food, making it easier to swallow. But saliva does more than just moisten. It also contains special enzymes. These enzymes start breaking down carbohydrates in our food, like bread and pasta. This is the very first stage of nutrient breakdown in digestion. Once we've chewed our food and it's mixed with saliva, it's time for the next step: swallowing. Swallowing might seem simple, but it's actually a complex process. When we swallow, a flap of tissue called the epiglottis closes over our windpipe. This makes sure that food goes down the right pipe, the esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that connects our mouth to our stomach. Think of it like a slide for food. Muscles in the esophagus contract and relax, pushing the food downwards. This wave-like movement is called peristalsis. Peristalsis ensures that food travels in the right direction, even if we're upside down. This journey down the esophagus takes about 10 seconds. Section 4. The stomach's churning power, breaking down proteins. After its quick trip down the esophagus, food finally reaches the stomach. The stomach is, well, a muscular J-shaped organ that acts like a giant mixer. Here, food is churned and mixed with gastric juices. These juices are very acidic. This acidic environment is important because it helps to kill harmful bacteria that might be present in our food. The stomach also produces enzymes, particularly pepsin, that break down proteins into smaller molecules called peptides. Think of proteins like long chains and enzymes like scissors, snipping them into smaller pieces. This churning and mixing process in the stomach can take several hours. By the time food is ready to leave the stomach, it has been transformed into a thick liquid called chyme. Section 5. The small intestine's nutrient extraction, fueling the body. The journey continues as chyme leaves the stomach and enters the small intestine. Despite its name, the small intestine is actually the longest part of the digestive tract, measuring about 20 feet long. The small intestine is where most of the nutrient absorption takes place. Its lining is covered in tiny finger-like projections called villi. These villi increase the surface area of the small intestine, allowing for maximum nutrient absorption. As chyme travels through the small intestine, nutrients from the food pass through the villi and into the bloodstream. These nutrients are then transported to different parts of the body, providing energy and building blocks for growth and repair. Section 6. The large intestine's final act, water absorption and waste. After the small intestine has absorbed most of the nutrients, what's left is mostly indigestible material and water. This mixture moves into the large intestine, the final stop on our digestive journey. The large intestine is shorter and wider than the small intestine. Its main job is to absorb water and electrolytes from the remaining material. This process helps to solidify the waste products, forming them into stool. The large intestine also houses trillions of bacteria, known as gut flora. These bacteria play a crucial role in digesting certain types of fiber that our bodies can't break down on their own. Finally, the remaining waste products are stored in the rectum, the last part of the large intestine, until they are ready to be expelled from the body as feces. Section 7. A vital journey: digestion and your health. As we've seen, the human digestive system is a complex and fascinating process. From chewing to nutrient absorption to waste elimination, Each step plays a crucial role in keeping us healthy and energized. When our digestive system is working properly, we hardly notice it. But when something goes wrong, it can have a big impact on our overall health. Understanding how our digestive system works can help us make healthier choices about the foods we eat and how we care for our bodies. There's still so much more to learn about the amazing world inside our gut. For further exploration, consider reading about the role of the pancreas and liver in digestion, or delve deeper into the fascinating world of gut bacteria.